A few months ago, I was on a call with a top advisory team in the Southeast, a huge, successful team, helping them with their rebrand. We talked about what sets them apart, what drives their passion, what clients value most about working with them. Then the senior advisor dropped a gem that's been stuck in my head ever since. He said, "I want our team to get messages from clients that say things like, 'Thanks for the quick response.' If we're getting those regularly, we're doing something right." It was a really simple statement, but powerful, because here's the reality. Service in most industries, it's not great, right? Fast response times show clients they matter. So here's how you can improve yours. Number one, set a standard. Create clear response time rules. So calls, maybe same day. Emails, at least acknowledge receipt. Meeting notes, send them as fast as we can. Second, develop a mantra. Make responsiveness part of your team's DNA. Something like, responsiveness is reliability. Say it, live it, reward it. And three, set realistic expectations. If you need 2 days to get back to a client, tell them that. Then if you respond sooner, you look like a rock star. In a business built on trust, a quick, thoughtful response is the difference. So make thanks for the quick response your goal, because when clients say it, you know you're doing something right.